Good morning, namaste, welcome to the vlog. Have a nice day and see this person sitting in the morning and solving math problem. Student in the morning gives work for teachers in the morning, and this beautiful lady over here likes to come and trouble me. Either you had your breakfast? Yeah, but did you have your breakfast? Guess what time she got up? What time you got up? 7 o'clock?
No.
Huh?
10 o'clock.
It is yet to be 10 o'clock, not even 9 also. Let us go out, let us have breakfast, let us see what is made. Papa doing yoga with his yoga channel. Just had bath, got ready, even Ira got ready. And now Aarti is getting ready. She's gonna dress up and get ready. It's nearly 11:15.
No, take bath and be ready.
Yes, it's 11 o'clock. I don't know what time we're going to temple now. We're going Mayem. That's the plan right now.
Mayem, what's Mayem?
Mayem, our temple. We're going there.
See.
Let us watch the movie.
Yeah.
I have reached at around 1 o'clock, and since then my sister comes and tells me to remove this new machine which I have not shown you guys how to operate. She's gone inside over there with Ira.
machine.
Huh? Hair machine? Oh, every machine is different.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah, have you
Yeah, 140. Go where we have come, Miramar. By taking a round, I have got her over here so that she can play for another half an hour. Nasty. Go play. Don't remove, huh? No removing his sandals, huh? Go play. Who stopped you? Not in that. That is very risky for you. You enjoy in this. You are enjoying in this. You finish it off. Come here, Ira, come here fast. Ira, I'm calling you out. Come here. Ira, come fast. So I was just cleaning everything. I just ate a nice, that kaju katli. Just one piece was left. Oh God, what a day it was. It was nice. It was fun. Adventurous, met few people, as in went to temple and things like that. Currently it's 9:30 and Ira is not slept in the afternoon, so I'm so sure that the family she'll go on top and she'll go to sleep. After this Diwali break, I'm gonna try to put her quick as possible to go to sleep, like not to give her time in the afternoon to sleep. On be half an hour of break, that's it. Planning, but plan doesn't work. So Ira, clean this everything. We are going on top. So just want to say good night.